Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners level. Picture 1. The picture depicts a cheerful scene in an orchard. A boy is climbing a ladder to pick apples from a tree laden with red fruit, while holding one apple in his hand. He wears a cap and a brightly colored shirt, displaying a joyful expression as he works. Below him, a girl stands holding a basket filled with freshly picked apples, dressed in a cozy sweater and pants. The background features lush greenery and a clear blue sky, creating a vibrant, sunny day atmosphere perfect for apple picking. Picture 2. The picture depicts a lively outdoor scene in a park. For children are enjoying a sunny day surrounded by trees. On the left, a boy in a yellow shirt and blue shorts is playing soccer, preparing to kick a ball. Next to him, a girl with a playful expression is celebrating, wearing a red shirt and shorts. On a nearby bench, another girl in a pink shirt is focused on her tablet, while a boy in a green shirt and red cap sits next to her, also engaged with a device. The background features bright blue skies, fluffy clouds, and green trees, creating a vibrant and cheerful atmosphere. Picture 3. The picture showcases a cheerful kitchen scene featuring a young girl with brown hair tied in a ponytail. She wears an apron and is stirring a pot on the stove with a smile. The kitchen is bright and colorful, with a light blue background. On the countertop, there are various fresh vegetables, including greens, tomatoes, and peppers, suggesting a healthy meal preparation. Kitchen utensils hang on the wall, and jars of ingredients are neatly arranged on the shelves, contributing to a warm and inviting atmosphere in the cooking space. Subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.